I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. Well, this Friday, it is a happy time down here on the stock exchange. Volume is strong. We have a lot of buying going on. The Dow is already up over 100 points, and we've got the S&P 500 at about 1874. Joining me now is Peter Cardillo. He is the chief strategist over at Rockwell Global. So, Peter, you know, we've had a couple of things going on here today. One is the Russian market did not take news of our sanctions very well. It definitely tanked. And then we've also got options expiration day. Is that what's accounting for this large volume today?
Absolutely. I think options expiration, you know, this is a very significant one because it's the end of the quarter one when all four categories of the options expire. So I think this is adding on to some technical strength. And the fact, you know, that the market was able to recover from Mrs. Yellen's remarks and took us near some technical breakout points, I think is resulting in today's strong market action and, of course, the swelling of volume. Now, as far as the Russian stock market is concerned, this morning when I saw what was happening in that part of the world, I said to myself, well, this could possibly have some sort of an impact in today's trading. And it didn't happen because, you know, what the new sanctions did, it actually hit the Russian stock market with a torpedo. And as a result of that, Europe didn't blink an eye. Asia didn't blink an eye, and so we took our cue off of the Asian and European markets. But nevertheless, you know, in the short term, before we get into the earnings season again, which will happen in about 2 weeks, I think the market probably will continue to trade off of the economic news, which continues to improve, which continues to suggest that we're headed for a very strong quarter in the second quarter. And so I think, there's a good possibility that we might actually stay range bound, but towards the upper end of the trading range, and possibly even get the S&P to cross that 1900 level.
What about 2K?
Well, 2000 I think is a little bit far-fetched for now. I think earnings, once we get into the earnings season, I think that we'll probably be in for a little bit of a pullback because I think, unfortunately, this time around, the winter chill is going to affect earnings a bit.
All right, so he sounds a lot more confident about that 1900 mark on the S&P 500. We're going to have to cool our jets a little to get to 2K, but having a good day here in the market at the stock exchange. That's Peter Cardillo of Rockwell, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.